So Rocio, having the great experience that you do with mortgages and banking, I would love to ask you, how are the mortgage options looking for internationals that want to invest in Spain right now?
Well, basically, after the consequence of what we are having, the banks are keen to lend, but obviously with more restrictions, or just maybe watching better things like the questions like the status of the clients,
Yeah.
for sure, and also they watch a lot about the percentage.
Okay.
In the best of the cases now, for non-resident clients, banks are in the best of the cases, 70% loan to value would be a good option.
Okay, and of course this is actually a big security for international investors, as the reason for, or the low security in terms of the bank's checkups of the investors previously were one of the big reasons why the entire correction or wave or crash, whatever you want to call it, actually occurred. So having increased that security and that background check of investors may feel like an extra work today, but it will actually give you more security for the entire banking sector in the future.
Because the system will be a secure system for all of us. Things like that will never happen again.
Exactly.
That's basically, I mean, it was not saying that banks were lending whatever the client was asking, even for furnishing the properties, that now, because at the end of the day, when people need really to put some cash down,
yeah,
it's a commitment. It's a commitment. It's not the saying that you say, well, I bought a house in Spain where I just put a few thousands.
Skin in the game.
Yeah, you know, well, if things don't go that well, even if the news say bad news, I just get rid, and that's not a problem. On these days, I think banks have increased guarantees, and also there are more rights for clients. I think even the transparency of the contracts, you cannot compare.
Yeah.
I mean, we are talking about two different worlds, completely different,
Yes.
where the clients feel more protected. Obviously, you can find clients that they say, well, then if I want to buy a property, that cash down required could be a problem. But about this and more other things and systems, we'll be talking during our event.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I have prepared many interesting things.
So greater security, and you still have the great mortgage possibilities as well. It sounds like the Spanish market is it's a place to be in 2018.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Don't even hesitate about it. Where, if not?
Yes, exactly.
Where? You just look above and tell me.
Yes. So we look forward to seeing you at the event to speak more about the mortgage options and the Spanish market.
Thank you.
That was great.
Yeah.